Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with two essentials, a valid Kaggle API key and Python/pip available. Once both are ready, install the Kaggle package and drop your Kaggle JSON into the Kaggle folder with secure permissions. Now authenticate and run Kaggle datasets. Download username/dataset name to fetch the ZIP. If a CSV exists, you can skip extraction by downloading that file directly. Make sure to note file names and sizes so Excel limits and 32-bit memory constraints won't surprise you. Once downloaded, unpack files or stream them into pandas to avoid filling RAM. Read CSV supports compression and chunk size. Inspect a sample to detect encoding, header offsets, and delimiter quirks, then normalize column names and drop superfluous columns to reduce size. If the dataset exceeds Excel row or memory limits, export subsets or aggregate using Group B. Alternatively, convert clean chunks to separate XLSX sheets. By preparing the data first, you prevent Excel crashes and ensure a cleaner, faster work. Now import into Excel via data, get data from text/CSV, or use Power Query for transformations and incremental loading. Map data types explicitly, trim whitespace, and filter unnecessary rows during import to save memory. Once done, load into the data model if you need relationships or large pivots, then save as XLSX or an Excel binary workbook for faster reopen. If things go wrong, reopen the raw CSV and reapply steps in Power Query. Keeping the original CSV ensures you can recover without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.